black sheep out here. What up, what up, what up? Sunday morning outside the library, no one is out here. It's freezing cold. And we're out here trying to figure out what students think about birds being gone and if they're coming back. Did you ever ride the bird scooters?
Yeah, a couple of times.
A couple times? Why not more than that?
Just like a traumatic experience on the scooters when I was younger. Yeah.
When you were younger?
When I was younger.
Oh, okay.
I would bird to class when I had a test or it was really cold outside.
Are you sad that they're gone?
Yes, I am. I'm upset.
Really upset?
Yeah.
Are you upset about the bird scooters being gone?
Yes, I'm very upset.
Okay, so you're not too upset that they're gone?
No, not really. And I enjoy walking.
How are you going to get around now?
Walk?
Are you gonna Uber or just walk now, or?
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
What are you gonna do with the money that you saved on birding?
I'll probably Uber instead, to be honest.
Do you think that they're gonna come back, or are they gone for good?
Oh, I didn't even know they were gone, but maybe they come back for the other students.
They're not here. Where do you think they went?
I have no idea, honestly. They just weren't really here when I got back to school.
Yeah, all of a sudden we're gone.
Yeah.
You guys noticed that they were gone, or just now when we told you?
Yeah, actually just now. I never really used them that much, but I didn't notice they were gone.
So main verdict here, nobody knew they were gone until we said they were gone, but I'm pretty sure everyone's pissed. I know I'm pissed, Dylan's pissed. No one's happy because who wants to walk to class? It's freezing.
Thanks so much for watching our video, you guys. We hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our new channel here. We've got more videos to come. In the meantime, make sure you go follow our Instagram and Twitter. Handles are right there at the top.
I'm super upset. Wait, what else was I supposed to ask? That.
I like gum.
Should it be coming up like this?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Yes. This is like, I am not an interviewer person.
I think you're good.
Thanks.
I guess I never paid attention again.